Hey everyone, I'm Jim Bob and welcome back to Jim Bob's EDC. As we wrap up the year, I just wanted to take a moment to say a massive thank you to each and every one of you who has watched, liked, commented, subscribed, or even just quietly followed along. This channel only launched 3 months ago and the support so far has been genuinely amazing. I can't tell you how much it motivates me to keep creating. We've shared gear holes, pouches, knives, flashlights, multi-tools and more, and I've loved every minute of bringing you along for the ride. But we're only just getting started. I'm already planning out the first few months of next year with weekly videos all the way into March 2026 already on the schedule. We've got smarter everyday carry setups, gear choices and reviews, new gear from brands that I'm excited to test, improvements based on your comments and suggestions, maybe even some vlogs and behind the scenes content as the channel hopefully grows. If you've been here from the start, thank you. And if you're new, consider subscribing and sticking around because next year is going to be a big one for Jim Bob's EDC. There won't be a video next week while I take a short break to enjoy some time off. I've been working in my paramedic role up to yesterday, Christmas Eve, and I'm back in tomorrow on Boxing Day to some, St. Stephen's Day to others, and the 26th of December to everyone else. Plus, it's also been the busiest time of the year in our little pub. So the next video will be on January the 7th. Mark your calendars because I'm kicking off 2026 with a great piece of kit. Until then, have an amazing Christmas and a happy new year. I'll see you in 2026. And remember, what you carry carries you.